Morning. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics doing a little bit of ranting here. Um, a lot of you still haven't learned how to use the search option up above on the Facebook page Rvdiagnostics and troubleshooting. It's amazing that we're over 25,000 members. And the funny part about it is, every one of you, 25,000 of you, I have messaged you. I have said to you on the Facebook page, "Hi, I'm Jeff, the founder of Rvdiagnostics. Please watch this video. It will help you learn how to navigate this Facebook page to help you with your RV problems before you post on here." Can you imagine how many black tank postings there is? Can you imagine how many RV refrigerator problems there is? I guess that's my ranting. The other one is there's a YouTube channel, so there's a discrepancy. I know some of you don't want to do YouTube, but if you join this page, it's right there. I do step-by-step troubleshooting on leveling systems, HWH, hydraulic, electrical, power gear, Bigfoot, anything that comes in my garage that some of the RV owners allow me to video, or because I can't charge them what I charge and take 2 hours videoing, so some of them don't even let me do that. But please, folks, the other one is a lot of you post on here for help. You might find help at another page, but you don't come back and put what you found. Don't open another post. Go back to the original post, hit the little buttons on top, the 3 buttons, or just put your finger on it, and it'll let you edit. So what's the edit say? Update. Post fixed. Did not find out what was wrong. I don't know. Come in and delete the post if you don't want to post what went wrong. Folks, the page was designed to help people save thousands of dollars a year. Also, the YouTube channel that's over, I don't know, 390 videos now, was designed to help RV owners. Doesn't matter if you have a pop-up all the way up to $1 million coach, because I work on them all. I get a lot more class A's in here, diesel pushers and all, but that's what happens when you work on them over these years. So please use everything to your advantage. The tools. What's the best tool you got? Between these ears, and I'm going to help you improve it, take you out of your comfort zone. The other one is I'm going to start deleting posts. I'm just going to go in and say, okay, I might even message you, hey, on the post, hey, what'd you find? Did you find anything? I know you got life to deal with, but if you went and took the time first to use the search option, 80% of the time you'll find your answer. All right, so there should be 20% less posts, or 80% less posts. All right. The other one is some of you are doing really good. Hey, watch, I look, this guy blew it out or something, whatever, and this is what I did. Appreciate that. Thank you for being a good member, helping the page get a start. Now, the website, www.rvdiagnostics.com, is where I do one-on-one. There's thousands of testimonial videos. I just got tired of posting them all. But if you go to the website, there's a few on there of some energetic members. And they learned. Some of these people were lawyers, doctors, factory workers that didn't have a clue what a multimeter was, and now they know their RV, folks. They know how, not just how to fix a hot water heater, propane or electric, but they know how to do stuff on their engine, alternator. I do AC, chassis AC, roof AC, and I do it step by step with you, all right? And I got like a 97.5% success rate. And that's pretty darn good first time out troubleshooting. So help me make this page what it was meant to be. I'm the guy that put this page together. Thank you very much. Remember, I'm going to start deleting posts that aren't updated. Some of them are in there 2, 3 years old and nobody ever come back. They got their answer. I had one person, I helped over 1,700 people free last year, okay, because I had a little bit of time. Had a back operation and all that. So I helped some people. Do you know one person 4 times used me to help them? And, two of them were major, two were minor. Probably saved them a good $3,000. You know they wouldn't join the website for $112 a year. It's astonishing. And please don't tell me you ain't got $112 for a year. That's $9.30 a month, folks. Even though with the rising cost of everything, I've managed to keep it down. Yes, I have sponsors. So, and I don't take their money unless it's a good product. I've refused a couple dollars. One was an $8,000 check. They wanted me to put my name on it. I said, no, your product is crap. It's junk. So some of y'all would have took that money, not me. Thank you very much, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. That's my rant. Please use the search option. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's so much on there. I took a hot water heater, 7, 8 videos, brand new water heater, tore it all the way down, step by step, taught you how to read the wiring diagrams, how to troubleshoot it, what it does, how to troubleshoot it, when it does this, how it acts. For God's sake, please use the power of the page.